Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I can't get the boys to settle. Smudge is here, and Blue is here. So I'm going to do my, hello, it's Mask Monday. Hello, everybody. I've been trying to get this started for a little while. I apologize. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mary. Did I say that? I don't even know if I said that. Anyway, I'm going to start putting this on, and then, then we'll talk, okay? This is the Karuna collagen 2-piece hydrogel face mask. It's very nice. I've used it before, but I can't remember if it'll stay on by itself, so I did bring this in case I need to put it on. I don't like wearing that because it, it just keeps, I don't get to move my face very well. But this is really nice. It's very moisturized, whatever you want to say. It has several pieces to it. Let's see. You take this part off, and then you take, it's almost like a cardboard except it's plastic. You take that off, and then you have, and then there's even another piece. All right, hang on, there's a lot of pieces here. And then you have your bottom piece. We'll put that on first since that's what I got first. It's a very nice mask. Yeah, I may have to put that plastic thing on. It may stay. Hey, Smudge, he moved over there. All right, and then the eyes must be in here, the eye part. So here it is. And then there is that part. Okay, I think the other part had already fallen off. It's really nice. Okay, let's see. It's a nice mask. It smells a little bit. It has a very light scent, maybe even a rose. I think it's a little low and I can't grab it to move it up. So let's see that all right. It's hard to put on in the camera. Anyway, it's a nice mask. Now this is gonna go in my mouth. Okay, sometimes 2-piece masks are nice because they fit. You can put them to where you need them. This should be up a little bit. Okay. All right, anyway, it's a nice mask. So I'll tell you about it. It's collagen 2-piece hydrogel face mask. Yeah, it keeps falling here. And it's Karuna brand. I got this from Fab Fit Fun. I've had this in different boxes before. It's nice. I've had different masks from this brand, and they're nice. And it says to leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. So, it feels like gel. And I think I'm going to have to put this on, which I don't like to do because, I don't know, I just don't like the way it looks. But maybe it'll help. So we'll put it on. And it also, I have a big face, a big head, maybe. So it doesn't feel the greatest on my ears. But we'll do it. And then, yeah, okay. Hopefully you can, I don't think that's going to stay. I may have to pull that off of there because if it doesn't stay and keeps going in my mouth, I can't do that, y'all. Oh, that took a while. So sorry, y'all. Got a few things to talk about. See, I just don't like the way it looks. I had gotten the Balanced Discovery box last week, I think it was, and I showed y'all. And when I was telling you the pricing, which now I forgot what the pricing was, I think it was about $10 or $12 a box. I didn't realize until later that the full-size boxes are 60 tablets each. So I have the Allergic and the Acidil. So this is for acid reflux, and this is for allergies, and these are homeopathic pills, and they are non-drowsy, and they you just put them in your mouth, and I think they dissolve. They melt-away tablets, they're called, and it's by the brand Boiron, B-O-I-R-O-N. I'm just guessing. It says they're the world leader in homeopathic medicines. I have had things from this brand before, and it's up to you if you want to take homeopathic things or not. But these only have 20 in them. They're just sample size boxes. They do have a coupon for $2 off a box. And So I didn't know that they were not the full-size product. I just want to tell you about that. Personally, this one wouldn't bother me taking the Acidil. I hardly ever have heartburn, but once in a while I do. So this is the kind of thing I might keep at my desk at work, because if I do have heartburn, it's usually maybe after lunch. But like I said, it is, it's just, what's in it is fine. What's in this, though, is it doesn't say like anywhere on the packaging. I had to really research it. And it is, now I forgot what it was called. Hang on, let me see. I could not find any information on the package. It does have the active ingredients on it, but allium, cepa, you know, whatever. When you have allergies, you can take antihistamines. So this is not an antihistamine, it's a histamine. And anything I read about histamines is that they're for pain. So I don't know if I'm going to try this. I might try it like on a Saturday when I'm at home. So in case it were to affect me in any way, then I would be all right. I'd be in my house, you know what I mean? Instead of being at work and get drowsy or something. It says it's non-drowsy, but I do have allergies all the time, so I'd like to try it. We'll see if I ever do. We'll see if I ever do. Okay, I do have a situation that happened to me. Just a minor situation, Okay, so you know, I've told you all about Lume in the past, and I love Lume. I have a link below if you want to sign up under me. I think they give me a $5 credit, but I can only use it one at a time. So it's no big deal. When you get Lume, then you can have your friends and family sign up under you and get credits. Okay, so they have several different types of containers. They have a tube, you know, with it's like hand cream that comes out of there. I mean, just saying that's the consistency of it. They're all deodorants. They have sheets, and they have soap, bars of soap. They have, this looks like a regular solid deodorant stick. They have a solid deodorant stick, but this is the cream deodorant stick. And I got this by mistake the first time I ever ordered it. I thought I was getting a solid, and I didn't. It wasn't. And I really liked it. So when you use it, you turn this up, and out of these 3 holes, cream comes out. And then you can put it under your arms, you know. So it's very nice. It took me a while to get used to it. So I did order a solid after this one. And I like, you know what? I prefer the cream, because the cream, this is, most of the products are the cream, and the cream is fantastic. It really works well. It really does, from head to toe and everywhere in between. It keeps you from having odor. It really does. Okay, so this, when I showed this to you the first time that I finished one of these, I showed you that it's, you know, this stuff is gold. So I took the container all apart because I wanted to get every last bit out of it. And when I got this off, every last bit was out of it. You know, some containers that we use have a suction or, I had the word earlier, where it has no air in there. So everything actually comes out of it. So the other day when I used this and I went to put it down on my sink after using it, it fell off the sink. I don't remember if the cat jumped up or what. That happens to me often, those kinds of things. Fell on the floor. This top fell off, and some of this, you know, spewed. So I cleaned it all up. There was still a lot in here. So I put that back on. Then when I went to use it, like, you know, this evening, or it wouldn't pump up, if that's the right word. When I turned this, it wouldn't come up because there was now no pressure, or whatever the right word is. There was no suction. There was, you know, there was air in there, I guess, for lack of not knowing how the technology works. So I wasn't going to throw all that away because this is what I have. I know that this may not look like a lot to you, but this, you don't need much. This will last me a little bit. It really will. So do y'all remember when Temu first came around and they these were like 8 cents? And I think I ended up with a couple. I put them in several giveaways. This was really nice to have. Really, really nice to have. It's just a little spatula. It has a, it's silicone, so it can withstand heat. There's something in here that's hard, you know, and then this end has what looks like a spatula, and the other end has what looks like a spoon. And this was so helpful to clean this out. So I got every last drop out of here. Just wanted to let you know about that because I think that's pretty cool. It is really good stuff. And, you know, for anything that we have that we love and we want to get every last bit, I think this is well worth it. Like I said, they were practically free. I don't know how much they are now. They might be 29 cents. Even if it's a couple dollars, it's worth it for you to get it. If it's something that, if you buy Temu products, and if you have any cosmetics or any household item, this could work, you know, like I can keep this in my makeup cabinet. You can have more than one of these. You can have, you know, some in your kitchen because this could get, little, you know, out of a long jar, something that you can't, that a spoon wouldn't work in. You could get stuff out, you know. You can use it for so many things, so many things. And the silicone is nice because it cleans up really well. So there you have it. They came in many, many colors. So I just want to tell you about that. I thought that was a really cool little implement. I really haven't used it much, so I'm going to let this set a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, it's almost time to take this off, but I do want to tell y'all, if you haven't seen my short, and some of the other ladies have put up some ads, we have on Saturday, the 20th, coming up, is our collab, the Temu Spring Fling. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm the host, and normally I like my collabs to start around 12 o'clock noon Central Time, but I have to work Saturday. Wouldn't you know it? So we're starting at 1 o'clock Central Time, which is 2 o'clock Eastern, 1 o'clock Central. That makes Mountain Time 12 o'clock, and Pacific Time 11 o'clock. I do believe that's correct. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I think it's what there's 8 channels, and it's what we feel. We look for things, spring-like things on Temu. And the 8 channels, I will tell you the 8 channels. Carol Gardner, Reviews with Sue, Jessie Miller Unboxings and More, Miss Jackie Russell, Favorites with Laura, Nona's Place, and Tea Time Adventures. And then, of course, me. And it'll run for 2 weeks, so you have plenty of time, hopefully, to see the videos. And I do ask, I think, you know, most of you know all 8 channels. But if you don't, if you're new to my channel, if you're new to their channel, please take heed and know that YouTube has issues. You can go onto a channel and click subscribe and go right off that channel and go on your merry way and watch all kinds of other stuff and never go back to that channel, and you'll never be knocked off of that channel. You can watch your best friend every video that they put out 3 or 4 a day. Watch them every day for months and months and months, and then you go in tomorrow and you're knocked off their channel. It just, YouTube claims that if you're not watching their channel, they will knock you off. But that's not true. So I don't know. Their rules are, you can't talk to them. Their rules are weird. And they don't even follow their own rules, in my opinion. Now, I'm just expressing my opinion. I'm not happy with YouTube, but I like my channel, and I like y'all, and I love that y'all are here. So I'm just trying to make sure that you all know to make sure that you are subscribed to all 8 channels, because you have to be subscribed to all 8 channels to win one of the giveaways, and you'll have to comment on all 8 channels. So if there is someone new in that list for you, you may want to watch a couple of their videos before you actually hit the subscribe button, and then you may want to check back a few days later to make sure that you're still subscribed, and hopefully you'll like their channel and you'll want to watch some of their videos and stay subscribed to them. I hope that helps. And yeah, we want it to be fun for everybody. We don't want, it happens sometimes when I'm in a collab and we're trying to pick our subscribers, and when we pick someone's name and they're not subscribed. It's like, that they know they're supposed to be subscribed, so what happened? It's upsetting. And also you have to be publicly subscribed. And you all know that I talk about that all the time. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you've never changed it on your channel, then you are not publicly subscribed. So ask me and I'll send you the link of how to change your channel. And that's it. And I hope that you have a wonderful Mask Monday. I hope that you are doing something to take care of yourself. Don't I look like a man slasher? Except I have ears on, but cat ears on. Yeah, I just want you all to be able to be involved, because y'all mean a lot to me and to all these channels. We love our subscribers, and we want you to remain a subscriber and to be happy about being a subscriber. And of course, we want y'all to have a chance to win. So y'all take care and count your blessings. I think I'm going to leave this on a little bit longer because it's feeling really good and I need a little help. So take care, y'all. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.